You're watching Tap Tech, where we strip away the marketing buzzwords and get into what it's actually like to live with the tech you're considering. Today we're talking about the Amazfit Balance 2, the follow-up to one of the most balanced. No pun intended, smartwatches in the fitness-focused wearable space. Amazfit's first Balance model was already impressive for its battery life, health tracking, and value, but the Balance 2 claims to be smarter, more accurate, and even more stylish. I've been wearing it day and night for the past 2 weeks, and here's what you can really expect right out of the box. The Balance 2 makes a great impression. The design has been refined with a sleeker aluminum alloy case, slimmer bezels around the circular AMOLED display, and more subtle button integration. So it looks less like a rugged sports watch and more like a versatile daily accessory. It still has that classic, understated Amazfit style minimal branding, its lightweight feel, and a design that can work with gym gear or office wear. The 1.45-inch AMOLED panel is bright, sharp, and vivid with deep blacks and excellent sunlight. Readability. The touchscreen feels snappy. The 60 Hz refresh rate's still rare. In wearables, makes swiping and scrolling noticeably smoother than older Amazfit models. Day-to-day comfort is one of its biggest strengths. At just under 37 grams without the strap, it's light enough to forget you're wearing it, even while sleeping. The included silicone band is soft and breathable, but the quick-release mechanism means you can swap to leather or metal straps. In seconds for a more formal look, I wore it for a full day of meetings and then a late workout without once feeling like I needed to take it off. Health and fitness tracking are where the Balance 2 really shines. The upgraded BioTracker 5.0 ppg sensor is more accurate in heart rate and SPO measurements. Even during high-intensity workouts when older sensors sometimes struggled, sleep tracking is detailed and surprisingly insightful, breaking down light, deep, and REM stages, while also giving you a sleep-breathing quality score. Stress monitoring works passively throughout the day. The watch offers quick 1-minute health scans that measure heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and breathing rate all at once. The GPS accuracy is excellent, thanks to the dual-band positioning system. I tested it against a dedicated Garmin running watch, and the route mapping was almost identical, even in areas with tall buildings and tree cover. Whether you're running, cycling, hiking, or swimming, the Balance 2 is rated at 5 ATM. Water resistance, it locks on quickly and holds a signal well. Workout modes cover over 150 sports. And the watch now offers real-time form guidance in certain activities, like running and strength training through haptic feedback. Amazfit has also leaned into recovery and readiness tracking. The Readiness score analyzes your recent activity, sleep quality, and heart rate variability to tell you if you're primed for a big workout or should take it easy. Over my testing period, I found it surprisingly accurate. It warned me to rest on a day I was feeling slightly under the weather. And sure enough, a mild cold hit the next day. Battery life is one of the main reasons people choose Amazfit over big-name smartwatches, and the Balance 2 continues that tradition. With the always-on display enabled and moderate notifications, I got just over 9 days on a single charge. Turning off the always-on display and using battery saver mode pushes it past 2 weeks. That's with continuous heart rate, stress, and SPO monitoring enabled. Fast charging gets you from empty to full in about 75 minutes, and a quick 15-minute top-up easily lasts a couple of days in terms of smart features. It's not aiming to replace your phone like an Apple Watch Ultra, but it handles the essentials well. Notifications come through quickly and are easy to read. You can respond to texts with quick replies if you're on Android. And it supports Bluetooth calling directly from your wrist thanks to the built-in microphone and speaker. The mic picks up your voice clearly, even outdoors, and the speaker is loud enough for quick calls or voice assistant interactions. Speaking of which, it comes with both Alexa and an offline voice assistant for basic commands without an internet connection. Zepp OS 3.5 interface is smooth, clean, and easy to navigate. You can install third-party apps and watch faces from the Zepp App Store, which is growing but still smaller than something like Wear OS. For most people, though, the essentials are here: music controls, weather, calendar sync, to-do lists, and even a Pomodoro timer for productivity. NFC payments are supported in select regions, though not everywhere, so that's something to check based on your location. Connectivity is rock solid with Bluetooth 5.3, and syncing with the Zepp app is quick. The app itself remains one of the better fitness companion apps on the market. Organized, visually clear, and full of actionable insights, rather than just throwing raw numbers at you. It integrates with Strava, Google Fit, and Apple Health if you'd like to centralize your data. The Amazfit Balance. 2 isn't trying to be a full smartwatch powerhouse like the Apple Watch Ultra or Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, but it nails its target, delivering a premium feeling, highly capable fitness smartwatch with excellent battery life at a price that significantly undercuts the competition. You're getting high-end health tracking, strong GPS performance, a beautiful AMOLED display, and a wearable that's genuinely comfortable to have on your wrist all day. Every day, if you're deep in the Apple ecosystem, this probably won't replace your watch. But for Android users, or even iPhone owners who prioritize battery life and fitness tracking, it's a fantastic choice. At its price, it's hard to find something with this balance of style, accuracy, and endurance. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we dig into the real-world experience, so you know exactly what you're getting before you buy.